Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel again, guys. And now we're going to make a vegetarian rice stick or vegetarian bihon with my own version. These are the ingredients that are available in my kitchen for our vegetarian rice stick or bihon. Let's start, and we have to preheat my favorite pan. Then we have to add the oil, add the garlic, and then we have to add the onions and wait until the onions looks like the color is transparent. And we have to add the veggie meat. Then we have to add the mushroom seasoning. And we have to add the vegetables, carrots, green beans, and we have to add the other seasonings like parsley flakes and the basil leaves, and also the bay leaves. Then we have to add the cabbage, then we have to add hot water. Add salt to taste, and also soy sauce to taste. And then we have to mix it all together, and we have to wait for 2 to 3 minutes before we add the rice stick. But before that, we have also to add the ground turmeric. And we have to mix it again. It's time to add the rice stick. And then we have to simmer the rice stick for 2 to 3 minutes. And then we have to loosen it, the bihon or the rice stick, and mix it all together. the last thing that we add is the black pepper. And then we have to mix it all together and ready to serve. And thank you so much guys for watching, and hope you like it. And if you are not connected yet to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe me and hit the notification bell so that every time that I have new uploaded video or I have to do live stream, you will get notified. And again guys, this is Karma K saying thank you so much everyone. Be safe and God bless everyone. One.